You are watching the origin story for a 3D print farm. First, we gotta clean this up. This rack is gonna be converted into work tables. As you can tell, space is limited. Top half removed. Let's convert it to another table. I got the P1S up and running. Started printing some prototypes. The other table is almost done. I had to make another top for it. Call me the carpenter. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Check out the other tools underneath. After some more cleanup work, this place was looking pretty good. Not bad for a one-car garage. If you could support by liking this video, I would appreciate it. Thank you!